Still using a hand mixer that struggles halfway through your cookie dough? Yeah, you might be missing out. The stand mixers of 2026 aren't just about convenience. They're powerhouses that make baking faster, smoother, and honestly, a lot more fun. I've tested and compared everything, from power and bowl size to attachments, durability, and price. We're covering everything from compact kitchen favorites to commercial-grade monsters that can knead dough like a pro. So grab a coffee and let's dive right into the lineup. Kicking things off, the KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. This thing is an absolute beast. With its bowl lift design, the bowl moves up to meet the attachments, giving you incredible stability and power for thick dough or large batches. The 7-quart stainless steel bowl means you can handle huge portions of batter or dough at once, while the motor stays impressively quiet for its size. And let's talk versatility. From bread to frosting to mashed potatoes, this mixer powers through it all without a single hiccup. The only downside, it's big and heavy, so it's not the kind of appliance you'll want to move around every day. But if you bake regularly and need strength, this one's worth every inch of counter space. Next up, the KitchenAid 8-quart commercial countertop mixer. If the 7-quart was impressive, this one's a full-on professional unit. It's gear-driven, commercial-grade, and built to run all day without breaking a sweat. You get 10-speed control, an 8-quart capacity, and an incredibly durable metal body that screams reliability. This is the kind of mixer you'll find in a bakery or cafe. And if you bake in bulk or for business, this is a dream come true. Of course, it comes with a bigger price tag and footprint, but if you take baking seriously, this is your long-term partner in dough. We've got the classic KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer, the one you've probably seen on every cooking show ever. It's iconic for a reason. With a tilt head design, adding ingredients mid-mix is super easy. You get 10 speeds, a pouring shield, and a 5-quart bowl that's perfect for most home bakers. It's powerful, reliable, and available in so many colors that it practically doubles as kitchen decor. If you're baking cookies, cakes, or even pizza dough, eat out a few times a week. This is the sweet spot between performance and inconvenience. The only reason to skip it, if you're mixing massive batches all the time, then you'll want to size up. The Cuisinart SM50C 5.5 quart stand mixer. Don't let the lower price fool you. This one's got power. It features 12 speeds, a 5.5 quart bowl, and comes with all the key attachments: a flat paddle, dough hook, whisk, and even a splash guard with a pour spout. The build is sturdy, the motor's smooth, and it delivers consistent results for the price. This is easily one of the best value for money mixers out there. Perfect for someone who bakes regularly but doesn't need the full KitchenAid price tag. The only con? It's not quite as rugged for heavy bread doughs as the larger KitchenAids, but for everyday baking, it's fantastic. And finally, the compact hero of the lineup. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 quart tilt head stand mixer. This one's made for smaller kitchens, dorms, or anyone who bakes occasionally, but still wants that premium KitchenAid quality. It's 20% smaller and 25% lighter than the standard Artisan, but don't underestimate it. The motor still packs a punch for cookies, frosting, and lighter doughs. It's cute, efficient, and perfect. If you're short on space but don't want to compromise on performance. The only real trade-off, you'll be mixing smaller batches, but for most casual bakers, that's totally fine. So, which stand mixer should you go for? If you're all about power and capacity, the 7 or 8 quart models are unbeatable. If you want something classic and versatile, go with the Artisan 5 quart. Need something more affordable? The Cuisinart SM50C punches way above its price. And if you're short on space but still want quality, the Artisan Mini is your go-to. No matter which one you pick, these mixers are built to last. And they'll make baking feel less like work and more like fun. All these mixers are linked below in the description, so check them out for the latest Amazon prices and deals. If this helped you find your next kitchen upgrade, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. I post new product roundups every week to help you buy smarter. Thanks for watching. Now go bake something amazing and let that stand mixer do the hard work for you.